Hello everyone, back to you in today's first video, so 5-day forecast. Today's first video, as always, on a Wednesday, having a detailed look at when it's 5 days, possibly just later on. We'll have the 40-day look ahead with the Beijing Climate Centre. That'll be coming up for you at website this afternoon. But coming 5 days, going to see a bit of a change. We've had easterly winds for some time now. They're going to last another day or two, but they will relent over weekend. And we'll start turn winds into the south, so temperatures are going to become a bit milder. Also turn more on south as well, with low pressure moving in from the southwest, bringing showers or longer spells of rain over the weekend. So a more changeable 5-day forecast period ahead. Before I get on with that, just say about the ads. There's links to articles on all the pages. Have a browse, visits, click through the links. If there's any articles that you're interested in, you'll be having to pay for the website. Thanks very much for doing that. Just say the websites you're using for 5-day forecast coming from weathercentre.de and weatherout.com. Finally, both websites on the links page. So this is the latest radar picture from the Weather Outlook. I've got showers in the east. Some of these showers are quite heavy actually, especially around Lincolnshire and down into the Wash and East Anglia. Some bright colours in there, indicating some quite heavy showers. But many central-west areas actually having a lot of dry weather. A few showers down across the south coast. If this was winter, these showers would be snow showers in the east. And we probably have quite a depth of snow now actually after these easterly winds have gone on for quite a few days across eastern parts of the country. But this is the stocked pressure chart. If you want cold weather in the winter, this is what you want to be looking out for. High pressure up over Scandinavia, and follow the isobars map. The air originates from Russia, coming across the continent. So that's the kind of thing you look for in the winter to bring cold weather and potentially snow to parts of the country. So for the rest of today, we're going to have further showers in the east. Some of them will be quite heavy, with a risk of maybe a flash of lightning and some hail across some eastern coastal regions. Many western and central areas have a lot of dry weather. Some of these showers will get through, but they will tend to fizzle the further inland they go. These easy winds are also bringing in more cloud today, so I haven't got the good sunny spells that we've had over recent days. But in the west, there will be some decent sunshine to be had this afternoon. Always more cloud in the east. Temperatures are going to be ranged around 10 to 15 Celsius, but the easy wind is freshening up, so it will feel quite cool, especially in the east with those showers actually feeling quite cold there. Overnight, the east wind continues to freshen. We'll have further showers piling into the east. I think a lot of clouds are spreading across the country with showery bits and pieces of rain almost anywhere. Temperatures tonight around 4 to 8 Celsius. Again, will feel quite cold in those easterly winds. Through into Thursday, we lose the wind across England and Wales, but still quite a strong wind across northern England, particularly. A lot of cloud coming up again, I think, on Thursday, with showery outbreaks of rain almost anywhere, but always most likely in the east, so parts of northeast England, Lincolnshire, probably down into Midlands, East Anglia, southeast England. There could be showery bits, pieces of rain coming and going. Again, a lot of it will be light, but a few heavier bursts can't be ruled out. The best of the dry and bright conditions will be across the west. But winds are up still from the east, and it's going to be quite cold tomorrow, especially with a lot of cloud across the country. I think we're seeing temperatures struggling at around 9 to 14 Celsius, feeling cold where it's cloudy and showery in particular. Better day coming up on Friday. We've still got this east to southeast wind across Scotland. There'll still be outbreaks of rain across parts of central, east and southeast Scotland in particular. Some of that will be quite heavy. But the rest of the country, I think, will have a brighter day with sunny spells coming through before this area of low pressure out to west starts to spread more rain into towards southwest England Ireland by the end of Friday afternoon. Temperatures will be a little bit milder on Friday as well, ranging around 11 to 16 degrees. Into the weekend, and low pressure is moving in from the west. The high pressure is still there over Scandinavia, but it's beginning to lose its influence, so we start to turn the winds into the south. That's going to bring milder air up across the country. I think Saturday will start off with showery outbreaks of rain across England and Wales, and they'll tend to push northwards through the course of the day. Scotland probably starting off on quite a cold note with perhaps frost and fog, but showery rain will spread northwards through the course of the day, with brighter skies following on behind before another weather front begins to push in towards Ireland southwest by the end of the day, bringing more rain into Saturday evening in the far west and southwest. As winds turning to the south behind that rain on Saturday morning, temperatures will be lifting up, so we could see temperatures reaching 17 degrees in the southeast, 63 Fahrenheit by the end of Saturday afternoon. Sunny looks unsettled, low pressures out to west, and there's a weather front coming across the country, so we'll start off with an east-west split. Many east areas will get off to a dry start with sunny spells, but outbreaks of rain will be in across many western parts of the UK. Some of that rain will be heavy. It's quite windy as well, and we'll find wet and windy weather gradually spreading across the country through the course of Sunday, with outbreaks of rain even coming into the east and southeast by the end of Sunday afternoon, driven on by those quite strong southerly winds. Temperatures could be up to around 18 degrees in the southeast before that rain arrives, so quite warm actually. But out in the west, of course, where we've got the cloud, wind and rain, temperatures there around 15, 16 degrees won't be anything to write home about. And then we finish the 5-day forecast period on Monday between weather systems. So could have some rain spreading into the northwest of Scotland by the end of the day and Northern Ireland, but generally it's going to be a drier day, I think, on Monday with sunny spells coming through. Temperatures a little bit cooler, but still mild at around 13 to 17 degrees. Finally, just have a look at charts from the weather outlook. So there's the showers in the east today. Otherwise, it is mostly dry in the west with both sunny spells, cold easterly winds, showery rain. We have a lot of cloud across the country on Thursday. Temperatures will be really quite cool as well on Thursday, and feeling even cooler with a fairly strong easterly wind. Drier away from Scotland and North East England on Friday, where we have sunny spells coming through. Temperatures a little bit milder. And then into the weekend, rain pushing northwards across the country on Saturday with brighter skies following behind. As winds turn into the south, temperatures will begin to lift up. And then into Sunday, another band of rain spreads across the country. Some of that will be quite heavy. East areas, though, could be warm and dry before that rain arrives on Sunday evening. And then into Monday, we end the 5-day forecast period with a fair amount of dry weather, a few showers scattered about, but it looks mostly dry, and we'll have those sunny spells coming through. Temperatures still quite mild. So in summary, we're starting off with cold, cold easterly winds bringing showers to the east. We're going to stay quite cool with those easy winds for tomorrow and into Friday. But over the weekend, there's going to be a change. Cloud and rain moving in from the south and west, introducing milder air. Come back later on for the 40-day look ahead from Bayesian Climate Centre. But that's all for now, and thanks for watching.